Hello, everyone. My name is Sonja Johnson. My evaluation title is Voltage Stability Improvement for the San Francisco Bay Area Rapid Transit 34.5 kilovolt cable replacement project, a before and after analysis. Thank you for allowing me a few minutes to speak about one of BART's major infrastructure upgrades, the 34.5 kilovolt cable replacement project. While it may not be as visible as new trains or stations, this project plays a critical role in how BART safely and reliably move hundreds of thousands of riders every day. BART's traction power system was built over 50 years ago. The original 34.5 kilovolt cables, which deliver high voltage electricity to power the trains, had been degrading with age. They were becoming brittle, vulnerable to faults, and increasingly unreliable. So the goal of this project was clear: replace aging infrastructure with modern technology that improves systems performance and supports future expansion. This leads me to the evaluation questions I asked. What improvements resulted from this cable replacement, and has BART met its goals set at the start of the project? This is what I found. The old cables were replaced with EPR, insulated cables, or ethylene propylene rubber. These aren't just new, they are better by design. Research shows that EPR cables offer superior electrical durability, greater resistance to moisture and temperature changes, and an overall longer service life compared to the old paper insulated lead sheath cables for short PILC. In addition to the technical benefits, I interviewed 8 electricians directly involved with the project. They confirmed that the results are already being seen on the ground. Voltage stability has improved, fewer power outages and service interruptions, and easier installation and repair are the biggest improvements. That's real progress, and it's exactly what this project set out to achieve. So, what's the takeaways? This cable replacement project is more than a repair job. It's a strategic investment that strengthens BART's infrastructure, supports long term service growth, increases safety and reliability, and moves the system closer to its modernization goals. Ultimately, this work ensures that the power behind the trains is as strong and dependable as the service BART promises its riders every day. Thank you so much for your time. And again, my name is Sonja Johnson.